Here we go. This is part 3, Sightseeing with Dignity, Human Rights Art Series, artwork 44 in progress. It is February 9th, 2021. Accompanying these chortling, singing, whistling, chirping parakeets over here. Someone's on the music on the iPod. So kind of deriving very, very loosely, eclectically, some of my imagery just from glancing at some of the ugly fish in this book I bought at a charity thrift shop. I think it was in Scotland. Published La Structure et la Biologie des Poissons, The Structural Biology of Fish by Louis Rule. Published 1930, and I recall using at least one fish image as a source of inspiration for one of the mosaic tile sections I made in Under the Wings series mosaic drawing combo. The one of Père Jacques, the French priest, murdered by the Nazis for his role in trying to save several Jewish children and young adults and an adult or two. And that was made into a superb movie by the late Louis Malle, a French film director, based autobiographically in terms of Louis Malle on his, he was a pupil in the school during the World War II years, and his best friend was one of the French Jewish students who Père Jacques had tried to save. It's actually a superb movie because it's accessible to children, young adults, teens. There's no violence in the movie. Anyway, so I'm going to fill in more patterning in this section over here, and then I shall begin the inking. I might do actually a mix of similar as I did here with blue ink and black India ink. This is old-fashioned pre-computer traditional drawing media. Metal pen nibs and plastic holders dipped in the ink. Alright, to be continued. Thanks, birds. Nice accompaniment there. Très bien, excellent. Yes. Alright, to be continued.